This is a collective reading. I hope everyone is doing amazing. Let's jump right into it because it looks crazy good. So the first row represents your foundation. Here you have the Four of Wands paired with the Ace of Pentacles. So the Four of Wands is talking about moving, buying a home, or relocating. The focus is on a home or living arrangement. For some, I'm seeing you researching tiny homes, maybe off-grid living. And if this is your situation, leave a comment. Maybe your experience can help someone else. And with the Ace of Pentacles, this is the green light for your purchase. It speaks of tangible seeds of wealth. Could be an approval of your mortgage or the literal down payment being placed. It signifies that the money you've tucked away is here to help you manifest a home. Or if you're selling a home, property, or land, this is getting a solid offer. So over the years, I've purchased and sold homes, and each case was different and unique. There's always going to be some hiccup along the way, and that's why having the right team behind you makes the difference between a good or troublesome experience. So let's take a look at the center row. This is about the logistics or the action to take. So you have the King of Swords with the Six of Swords. This is a fantastic combination here because the King of Swords represents the professionals involved, like your real estate agent, your broker, your lawyer, and the inspectors. Here is where you want to make sure that all legal documents and paperwork are precise. And if you don't understand something, ask questions. You don't want to sign anything you don't understand, and trust your gut if something doesn't feel right. So the Six of Swords, this is saying pack your bags. It is moving time. You could be renting a moving van, hiring a moving service. It shows the literal act of moving away from the old toward the new. Swords represent the mind, so it's a mental move as much as it is a physical one, leaving the stress of the old place behind. It does indicate an unsatisfactory or disappointing situation that you're leaving. So what I'm also seeing here is you downsizing, selling, or giving away furniture, clothes, or things you don't need anymore. I'm sensing you're ready to move on, and once you have your mind made up on what you want, it will be smooth sailing. So the third row is the outcome or the results. The Chariot is you in the driver's seat. You call the shots. The Ten of Pentacles, this is the card of setting roots for the long haul. It points towards growing family and a happy home life. This speaks of generational wealth or an unexpected inheritance, building a legacy of security and comfort. I'm seeing a lot of blessings that surround you and your loved ones. There's lots of happiness and a much better living arrangement. And I'm also seeing a bubble of protection around you. So in summary, you have your Ace of Pentacles, which is your savings. The Four of Wands is the happy home life. The King is saying, let the experts handle the logistics. Six of Swords, you're moving away from a difficult situation to a happier one. The Chariot is about movement, success, and the Ten of Pentacles is arriving at your forever home. Let's get an extra message for you from the tea leaf cards. And if you enjoy this reading, please like and subscribe. It really is appreciated. Okay. So it says flowers, happiness. So this move is going to bring about much happiness for you. It's saying to also be positive, have a positive outlook. Shield. You need to defend yourself. So when you're moving, there's a vulnerable, this is a time where you're vulnerable. So it is good to have people around you that can give you good advice and help you in this transition period. Harp, great happiness. So you have two cards mentioning happiness here. So it's saying that this move that you're making is going to bring, it's going to check off all your boxes. It's going to be what you've been hoping for. It's that relief. It's going to be everything you wanted and more. Overall, this is great news. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll see you in the next one.